Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you a simple sandwich filling which is great for school lunches. My kids no longer like cold deli meats such as ham or salami. I start by adding all ingredients except the sweet barbecue sauce into a pot. All ingredients are as shown on screen, and you can find the list in the description box. I top the ingredients with water, mix to combine and cook covered until the water is reduced. I turn the heat off and remove the chicken from the pot. I shred it and add it back into the pot, then I add barbecue sauce. I'm using sticky sweet barbecue sauce, but you can use your choice of sauce. I sometimes use sweet chili sauce. I mix to combine and add water as needed. I added a little water into the bottle to rinse out the last bit of sauce. I mix and pound the chicken until I reach my preferred consistency. I now adjust salt to taste and cook it covered for a minute or two on low heat to allow everything to blend in. Then I turn the heat off. You can serve it warm or allow it to cool and use it as a filling for your wraps, rolls or sandwiches. I like mine just like this, but when making sandwiches for the kids' lunches, I spread margarine or butter on the bread and add their choice of vegetables with or without cheese. For more of my cooking videos, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell to be notified whenever I put up a new video. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching and bye for now.